Empire Crypto TV, and hello everyone out there, people who follow the cryptocurrency market. This is Empire Crypto TV. My name is Stone. Please be sure to click that subscribe button and that like. Please do like our shows. We have a lot of content that we do on the crypto market, that we review the market, do analysis on the market, and we come up with a discussion and see how the market will be moving. Today we are looking at the actual trend of BTC, Bitcoin, on the screen right now. It is deeping and it has been going down. Looking at it right here from the 30k point. It was a hopeful time for most investors, including myself. I was hoping for the Bitcoin to continue going up instead of just dropping so severely. Last week we've heard that it has to do with the dumping. Okay, a lot of you who don't know what is crypto dumping will be discussing that. But this is the dip for me. I call it the dip, dumping, whatever the case may be. But these are the crucial times. These are the best times where someone can enter the dip. So if you are someone looking to buy the dip, this could be the last time. This could be the last opportunity, because after this, Bitcoin might scratch out and go further on, because 2024 is next year. Bitcoin halving is going to be massive in the market and it's going to change the market. Buy it while it's cheap and see if you can be able to make a profit. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $27,000 and it comes from the 30k mark. So talking about dumping and the main cause of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin moving from that high point 30k to 27,000. Last week there were news concerning the crypto dumping. So this entire platform of crypto, before I go to crypto dumping, I'll also concur with also Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency, also taking the hit right here, as you can see, dropping down to $1,800 per coin. And it came from the high point right here. This is a 1 hour chart, by the way, from $2,000 per coin and coming down back to $1,000 per coin. Big move, as you can see on the 1 hour chart. But if you're looking at other chart like a monthly chart, you might not see much of a difference on the monthly chart, weekly chart basis. But for intraday trading, this information is particularly very crucial for traders, because this kind of volatility does present itself for opportunities for traders to buy and sell. So a lot of sellers are just coming in aggressively. Not only that, but what also surprises me is that the dollar itself, it's not doing so well itself. The dollar has been shrinking also. Looking at that, breaking also my support level that I've placed before, and it has broken it out on a 1 hour chart. This is yesterday. So also the dollar itself is suffering and is shrinking, but at the same time the crypto assets are also shrinking. It's rare to find. Usually you'd see the dollar going up while the crypto is going down, or when the crypto goes up, the dollar could be coming down. But this time around, both of dollar and crypto, Bitcoin, is coming down. Also, it is also evident, also crypto assets such as BNB, that it's trying to restore itself, right? Look at that huge candlestick, bullish candlestick, trying to restore itself, but eventually coming to a phase of a sideways trend. So it's an undecisive trend. Sideways trends are trends that are undecided, first of all, and they can go on one side the whole way, and lack of volatility is also what you would expect on a sideways trend. So things are quite not looking good in terms of crypto. Looking at that, these various charts, looking Bitcoin and BNB, I also showed you Ether, second largest cryptocurrency. And of course, they talked about dumping. Dumping describes when a lot of selling, which is what we are experiencing right now in the crypto space. of a cryptocurrency takes place all at once. So all of this selling, it's not only just Bitcoin, but the entire cryptocurrency space is experiencing this sell-off. Hence, that's why all at once. It can be described as dumping, it can be described as a dip, but crypto is down, but this is a lot of selling. This can happen across a single cryptocurrency, an entire sector, in this case, like DeFi gaming or Metaverse with an entire ecosystem like Ethereum, or with all cryptocurrencies simultaneously. A dump usually causes sharp spikes, the one that we're just experiencing here. Sharp spikes. These are the sharp spikes. These are sharp spikes. These dips or dumps. Sharp spikes down in price, often causing more investors and traders to sell off, reinforcing the selling pressure. This also is a psychological play, if I would say. As soon as some selling investors see other investors that are selling and traders, it also enforces a psychology that there's a lot of selling, and the panic sets in most investors and traders, and eventually people start selling the market at an aggressive pace. Okay, dumps are caused by various factors, crypto market cycles, or normal ups and downs of market across a lengthy period of time, like months and years. And I said, to contribute dumps. Okay, a common market cycle that may many market participants and investors believe that Bitcoin adheres to goes as follows: accumulation, greed, distribution, fear, repeat. I would take fear, and I'll take fear out of these five. For me, these are the leading factors that are affecting this market to be going down. And contributing to these 5 hours ago, news came out. I don't know if this will make the Bitcoin to further go down, 27,000, 26,000. Crypto is dead in America, says the tech billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya. Okay, Palihapitiya did concede the crypto sector has pushed more boundaries than other startup sectors, which may have attracted the SEC's attention. Now, crypto regulations in 2023 are massive, setting in on various crypto assets and crypto organizations, crypto exchanges. Everything that has to do crypto has been guided. So there is a new police force in the digital space, in the crypto space, and exploring, while they're exploring the crypto space, they are also exposing a lot of glitches within the crypto space. There are a lot of illegal activities that are undeniable when it comes to the crypto space, that most criminals have taken advantage of the technology of blockchain, being unable to be using a medium form of payment like banks, and being unable to be tracked by the government systems. So the SEC has tracked down a lot of activities that maybe need to be investigated, and now that brings a lot of halt in the crypto space. A lot of things will stop because investigations had to be set in. Regulators in the United States have choked out the cryptocurrency sector to the point of death, according to Bitcoin bull and billionaire tech investor Chamath Palihapitiya. And crypto is dead in America, it goes on. He boldly claimed in an April 22 episode of the All In podcast. Palihapitiya's comment came in response to news that cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is now considering a move offshore. This is because now regulations have been set in the United States. He pointed the fingers at Gary Gensler, the chair of the U.S. Secretary's Exchange Commission. Now, this is the government now stepping in their strong foot. Crypto is dead in America, it goes to say, while Pele Petia said that the U.S. likely views crypto as a threat to its establishment. If crypto is seen as a threat in the United States, then that's a bad thing for investors within the crypto space and all companies involved in the crypto space. Hence, they say this article, it could be choking the crypto. The tech investors did, however, attribute some fault to the sector. Okay. And they say he rounded out his analysis by conducting that the good actors are now paying the price for the bad work done by FTX, something that happened a couple of months ago that has caused the crypto to go down massively. Bankman-Fried, I will not touch on that because it has been said over and over. Follow the story if you don't know about it. By FTX and the other firms that have impacted the reputation of the industry. Yes, after this whole scandal about FTX and their malicious activities, the confidence within the crypto space has decreased. A lot of regulators have set their eyes on the crypto space, wanting to know what is happening right there. And that has called for regulators in this sense. But the overall impact will be a net negative one. Implied Sachs, who is of the view that pushing crypto companies offshore will be terrible for American innovation. Yes, which is true. They are pushing out the innovation. Other commentators have described the issue at hand as Operation Choke Point 2.0. An alleged orchestrated effort by regulators to discourage banks from holding crypto or providing services to crypto companies. I feel like now the US government is doing more than just regulating. They are also fighting crypto. They've been doing this ever since because it's a threat to the dollar, as you can see. But looking at the dollar now, it is quite weak. So this is some of the ways that they're trying to push back. Taking investors out of crypto can also lure them down deep into the US dollar market, and which is losing power and strength as we are speaking right now. Let us look at CoinMarketCap. The overall, as you can see, the market is bleeding. Red all over the place, down by 0.13% on a 1 hour basis, 24-hour basis 0.0%, and in the last 7 days Bitcoin has been down by more than 8%, and that is also the massive percentage loss. But the biggest loss is in the top of the food chain. Looking at the Ethereum, look at that, just more than 13% losses in 7 days. That is a lot of losses. In 1 hour they are down by 1.29%. That's past 24 hours, excuse me, and then 0.11% in an hour loss. That's Ethereum. But overall, 24 hours market cap, it's still in its trillion right here, 146 billion. 380,184,438 dollars market cap, still in its trillion, which means cryptocurrency still strongest, still the most dominance, 46% dominance, and the dominance for Ethereum has risen from 18% to 19%. Speaking to you right now, this has been the crypto dip. This is the analysis for the cryptocurrency market and looking at the various news and various sources we can discover why the crypto dip has occurred. I hope you find this to be informative and understanding. If you are a crypto person and investor and trader, find this information very useful for you. Please be sure to click that like button and please do subscribe. It helps us a lot. Until next time, thank you very much. Empire Crypto TV. Until next time, thank you very much.